Imagine having a chess opponent ready 24/7, or a board that actively helps you improve. These top electronic chessboards make it a reality. After weeks of intense play, analyzing AI strength, and testing connectivity across numerous models, I've pinpointed the 5 that truly stand out. Our deep dive into the world of electronic chessboards involved evaluating everything from sensor accuracy to online integration, ensuring you get the best insights. Each board on this list offers unique features that could be the perfect match for your playing style, so make sure to watch the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Here we go. Number 5. The FEMU L6 electronic chess set. Now, this is one I've spent some good time with. It's aimed at beginners, sure, but it packs features even seasoned players will find useful. You won't outgrow it quickly. The adaptive AI, that's a real standout here. It offers 22 distinct difficulty levels. The system actually learns how you play move by move. Then it adjusts to match your current skill. This keeps games challenging, but not so hard they become frustrating. It's like having a personal chess coach. And if you're looking to improve, it has 1,000 built-in teaching exercises. These are genuinely helpful for grasping chess fundamentals and common strategies. LED lights right on the board clearly show the computer's moves, so you can focus entirely on the physical game, not some distracting screen. The e-paper display is also quite easy on your eyes. Even for longer sessions, it clearly shows game notation, helpful hints, and even computer evaluations of the position. You get 3 distinct playing modes. Training mode is perfect for practice and those exercises. Match mode lets you seriously challenge the AI. And human mode, well, that's for playing a friend on the same board. It also has this unique scoring system. This displays the score of each individual move. Then you get a weighted total game score at the end. This is great for analyzing your performance. The AI itself plays at a very high level, over 2300 ELO, international tournament standard. So it's a tough opponent, even for advanced players. The board is also lightweight and designed to be portable, making it pretty good for games on the go. Pros: learns and adapts to your evolving skill. Amazing: offers extensive teaching exercises for improvement. Really helpful: shows computer moves clearly on the board. Brilliant. Cons: piece placement needs to be fairly precise on the squares. This board really shines if you want to genuinely improve your chess game. Picture this: a quiet afternoon, just you and the board, really digging into those tactical exercises, seeing your understanding grow. Want a smart board that truly grows with you? You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 4. The VOSTENSE P6 electronic chess computer. This board is really aimed at beginners to intermediate players. It's designed to help you learn and improve your game step by step. It features a built-in AI opponent. You get 18 different difficulty levels. This range takes you from just starting out, learning the ropes, up to a respectable 1700 ELO. So it definitely grows with you as your skills develop. There are several game modes to explore. Training mode is particularly good for kids or anyone new to chess. It gives light prompts and clear voice announcements for each move. Then there's match mode, where you can seriously test your skills against the computer. And of course, human mode is there for straightforward 2-player games. It also includes a dedicated puzzle mode. This has 200 built-in chess puzzles. These are quite good for sharpening your tactical vision and problem solving. A handy hint button, marked with a ikamor, is there if you get stuck on a tough position. The chess pieces themselves are magnetic. They have a good feel and stay put, even if the board gets bumped. You also get extra queens, which is always a thoughtful inclusion. The whole package comes complete with 2 drawstring storage bags, a manual, and the charger cable. Compared to some other electronic boards that might focus on very high-level AI, this one really emphasizes that foundational learning experience. It's less about facing a grandmaster AI and more about building your core chess understanding. Pros: guides learning with prompts and puzzles. Really adapts difficulty as your skills improve. Amazing: magnetic pieces keep your game stable. Cons: some users find the bishop and pawn pieces look a bit too similar. This can cause some occasional confusion during a game. Also, the method for selecting difficulty levels isn't the most intuitive at first. This board really shines for those starting their chess journey or looking to solidify their early skills. Imagine a relaxed evening, working through those tactical puzzles at your own pace, or perhaps teaching someone the basics, with the board offering helpful prompts along the way. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 3. The Chestnut Go Ultimate. Now, this one really focuses on taking your chess game anywhere. It's designed from the ground up for travel. The board itself is remarkably slim, measuring just 0.15 inches thick. It feels surprisingly sturdy despite that. It slides neatly into its dedicated travel case, which is a nice touch. You get dedicated pouches for the pieces and accessories in there. When you start playing, the full piece recognition is quite impressive. It knows where every piece is, even with these small, customized magnetic pieces. And they do stick well. You can tilt the board, and they generally stay put. This is great if you're playing, say, on a slightly unstable surface. Connectivity is handled by Bluetooth. It pairs up smoothly with Windows, Mac, Android, or iOS devices. devices, you'll primarily use the Chestnut app. This app gives you access to AI opponents like Maya and Stockfish with adjustable difficulty, so it can challenge you whether you're learning or more experienced. It also supports third-party apps, which is a big plus. Think Leches or Chess.com. The built-in battery is also a key feature for portability. It provides several hours of play, so you're not hunting for an outlet. And of course, you can always use it as a standard chessboard for an offline game with a friend. They even thought to include 2 extra queens for those endgame scenarios. Little things like the rubberized feet also show good attention to detail. Pros: offers excellent portability. With its slim build and case, connects seamlessly to devices and popular chess apps. Provides strong magnetic adhesion for secure piece placement. Cons: the pieces, while functional, are made of plastic. Some might prefer a different material. Really, the carrying case doesn't have separate compartments to organize pieces by color. Unfortunately, this board truly shines if you need a high-quality electronic chess experience on the go. Imagine easily slipping it out of your bag on a train commute or during a lunch break at the park. You get a full, engaging game without any fuss. If a top-tier portable chess companion is what you're after, you can buy directly from Amazon using the link of the description. Number 2. The Lexibook Chessman Elite. This board is quite interesting, you know. It's designed to help both new players and those with more experience. You get a remarkable 64 difficulty levels. These are cleverly divided into 4 different play games. It even features an ELO 1800 player rating system, so it can certainly provide a decent challenge as you improve. When the computer makes a move, 16 LEDs light up. These are horizontal and vertical, clearly showing the path. This makes following the game pretty straightforward, even for beginners. The training mode is a real plus here. It gives you feedback, indicating if a move is optimal. It even lets you try again if you make a mistake. This is genuinely useful for sharpening your chess skills. The board understands and enforces all standard chess rules. We're talking the 50-move rule, stalemate, and pawn promotion. It even handles en passant, captures correctly. It can also solve mate and 5 problems, which is a nice touch for practice. You can play against the computer, of course, or you can play with a friend in 2-player mode. There's also a multi-move level. This acts as a referee, ensuring all moves are legal between 2 human players. Helpful functions like hint are there to suggest a move. The take-back function lets you undo up to 2 previous moves. Pros: adapts difficulty across a very wide range. Includes excellent training features for skill growth. Shows computer moves clearly with onboard LEDs. Cons: the included chess pieces are reported to be quite lightweight. Some users also find a few pieces might miss their magnets, which can be an issue for travel. This board really excels at helping you learn and grow your chess skills. Imagine a family game night, everyone gathered around, or perhaps a quiet evening, just you, honing your strategy move by move. The board guides you without being too intrusive. If you're looking for a versatile electronic board with solid training features, you can buy directly from Amazon using the link of the description. Number 1. The Talking Chess Academy Electronic Chess Set. This one really caught my eye. It's designed as a full learning system, not just a board to play on. Its voice tutor is a standout. It gives interactive lessons. You get warnings for poor moves or threats. It even announces legal and illegal moves. This is so helpful when you're starting out or, if you're teaching someone. It has 128 preset puzzles for endgame practice, plus 99 famous games to learn from. There are also 5 mini chess games. These are great for practicing with specific pieces. The AI uses a 32-bit high-speed processor. It offers multiple difficulty levels, so it can challenge you as you improve. The board itself is high sensitivity. Moves are easy to input. Large LCD digits make reading moves clear. You can also adjust the sound volume, which is handy, and the pieces are magnetic, which is always a plus. They stay put pretty well. It's also quite portable. The design is simple and convenient for travel. It feels durable enough for long-lasting use too. It even has an auto power off. This saves battery if you forget. Some boards focus purely on a super strong AI. This one, however, really emphasizes that guided learning experience. It's more like having a patient teacher built in. This board truly shines for anyone wanting to learn or teach chess effectively. Imagine a child confidently making their first checkmate, guided by the voice tutor, or you, finally, mastering those tricky endgames with the puzzles. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. Which one would you choose? You can see updated prices and buy the products on Amazon from the link in the description.